chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some pork ribs right here. I already pulled the membrane off the back of it. Let them soak in some vinegar, lemon juice, water. So now we go ahead and put our little marinade on there because we want these ribs to be extra tender. So the first thing I'm gonna use, I put a little bit of jalapeno pepper juice in here. We'll use some sweet soy sauce. We have some red vinegar. We'll add a little red vinegar. We have some oyster sauce. And we'll add our oyster sauce. Now we'll add our seasoning, our applewood rub. And make sure I rub this in on both sides. Give it a nice little color with some paprika. Can you hand me that one right back? I think that one.
I think it's closed.
Is it open?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Some basil. Okay. Can't leave that herb out of there. Gotta hit it with that herb. That right there. Some Italian. Never leave home without it. Remember that oregano back? some oregano. Alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rub this in off camera. Alright, so I just chopped up my onions and my bell peppers. So I just use a red bell pepper, white onion. I want this to be extra tender. And the barbecue sauce I'm using is that Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. Oh, yeah, that's Sweet Baby Ray Husky brown sugar. There's a couple peppers in there. Add me a little more of this juice. Now I'm gonna wrap it up. When I say this bad boy gonna be tender, delicious, gonna be yeah. Alright, so I add a little bit of parchment paper. You don't have to add nothing if you don't want. You can just wrap it up with some aluminum foil, like so. And that's how we looking right there. It's going in the oven on 375 for 2 hours to 2.5 hours. Alright, so here we go right here. That's 2 hours, 25 minutes right there on 375. Flavor, for real. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and, let me see, let's knock some of these onions off. So we wanna go ahead and darken that up some more. Well, we wanna give it a nice little dark color. Yeah. So we'll put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes with aluminum foil. Not covering it. 20 minutes on 375. Yep, nice and tender. That's that bone right there. Look at that right there. Look. Fire. I'm going to go ahead and add my barbecue sauce. Throw it back in the oven. Ooh, yeah. Just like that. Throw it back in the oven for a couple more minutes. And we'll get this good food on a nice plate. Okay, so here we go right here. They made it happen in this good kitchen. Ribs, extra tender, bone falling out. The meat, the bone separating itself from the meat. So that's extra tender flavor. It's, man, I did my thing right here in this good kitchen. You have our corn on the cob. You have our cheddar, broccoli, rice. Look at it. Made it happen for real in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And let's get them likes in, y'all. You know, let's get them, please let's get them likes in so they can put your boy video out there. I appreciate you for real. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.